As I was doing my little browse on SHEIN's website, I came across a wig that was $15, and I was like, you know what, I think this is gonna work for my channel, and here I am doing a nice review for you guys. Now, straight first impressions, when I saw it, I'm like, this wig is giving Rick James, but I knew that I can make it work, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it work. As always, you're gonna put a wig cap to protect your hair. This wig does come with some combs as well as an elastic band to keep it secure. So that's that right there. So now we're just gonna place it on our head and see how we can make this work. First impressions, obviously they never show you exactly what the wig looks like. On the mannequin, it looks longer, but it's 14 inches. On my head, it looks shorter. And then also the other reference pictures they used were clearly people who weren't wearing the wig. So hopefully if you were interested in buying this wig, you can see what it looks like on a real person versus like the stock images they use of people with like naturally curly hair. With this wig, I try not to do too much manipulation because I want it to be beginner friendly. And that's the reason why I chose a wig with no lace. Personally, me, I'm not a lace girly. I don't know how to like secure my lace and let my lace melt. So this is perfect for me. And then if you're the same way like me, then it's perfect for you too. I think to make this wig more natural, the best thing to do is just comb out those curls, like the factory made curls. Just use your fingers to like separate the curls like I'm doing here, just so that it's not so compact and it kind of looks like it is your natural hair that's growing out of your head. Then you could take some scissors and any pieces that's a little bit long, you can go ahead and cut it. I think what I did at first, I was using like my razor comb to like cut it, and then I used scissors. So I alternated between the two because I had both of them in front of me. I'm gonna tease it a little bit just to give it some frizziness. I know that when it comes to synthetic wigs, the more you wear it, the more natural it looks, but I'm trying to get rid of that like factory straight out the bag shine to it, and I do that by like teasing the hair a little bit. You're gonna see some raggedy ends or some ends that's hanging. Don't worry, I will eventually cut them all off. But one thing I noticed about this wig when I did cut it off, whether it's using the razor comb or using the scissors, is that I was able to like finger coil the curls and it gave me a beautiful curl. So you're gonna see me doing this. I don't know when in this editing I'm gonna do that, but right here you just see me just making sure that there's no longer pieces than the rest of the wig and continually pulling the hair out. So right here, you'll see me, what I was saying is I'm taking that end and I'm twirling around my finger and it gave a nice little curl. And I'm like, wow, that's kind of cool for some synthetic hair, how you can manipulate the curl with your finger. So I did that throughout the hair, just giving it its unique curl, just wrapping the ends around my finger and then holding that curl and then pulling it through, and it gives you like a nice, beautiful curl. Just that part alone just make me give this wig like 10s across the board. Like the fact that you can manipulate the curl and like change the curl pattern a little bit by just doing finger coils, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to separate and manipulate the curls so that it looks like it's something. Another thing too that I do like about this wig is that there's not much cutting you can do. Now, granted, I am pulling the hair apart, so there's gonna be some pieces that's longer than the other, and that's when I'm actually gonna be trimming it with my scissors. But other than that, I don't need to like cut it to frame my face or anything like that. I feel like the bangs are at a perfect height for my forehead. I just think this wig is just pretty dope. Oh, and if you didn't know, this video is not sponsored. SHEIN has reached out to me to do wig reviews, but they're not trying to pay me. They're trying to give me a free wig. No, I will make more money buying it myself and making the AdSense off of it. So this video is not sponsored. Look at that. I'm impressed. Like, I'm really impressed. So I'm going to continue to pull the hair apart. I know you guys are going to say in the comments, is giving Whitney Houston. I get that so much, that you guys think I look like Whitney Houston, and I do not see it. So if you were getting ready to type that in the comments, let me know. But like I said, I'm just going to continue to like finger coil, and then I'm going to come back when I show you the after. So here is the final result. I really like this. I feel like I gotta get used to it, but I do like it at the same time. It's like hard to explain. Like, I look like an auntie, but then I am like the age of an auntie. So there's that, you know, team 40 and up. Thumbs up this video. I'm sure you guys what it looks like in the middle and the back, but I think this hair is fun. Like, if you like big hair and you don't want to spend too much money, go and get this wig. Like I said, I will put the link below. I just don't know if it will still be available. You could probably do like find similar, but yeah, $15 on Shein, and it ships pretty fast. I think I got it within like a week or two. But yeah, this wig is just giving me life. Like, it's giving me life. Anyway, if there's another wig that you want me to try on Shein, please let me know, like the model of it or the item on it, and I'll review it for you guys. And then that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.